Hey, thanks and congratulations! You made a great decision investing in Ultimate Videoz that leverages PowerPoint, Google Slides, and Keynote by Apple for professional, highly engaging, done-for-you templates that simply demands customer attention. Your login details are on the way and should be with you shortly. Now, before you get started, here's how you can get thousands of more awesome templates to get more exposure for more leads and sales. And it's really easy to get more traffic, leads, and sales when you have brand new, highly enticing, done-for-you templates with all the animations, the transitions, the fonts, the styles, and everything else you see inside them. You see, your audience wants new all the time, and that's why you're going to love Unlimited Edition. You already have PowerPoint, Google Slides, or Keynote, and with Unlimited Edition, you get another 1,300 plus mouth-watering, done-for-you templates. Just take a look at these beauties. They're awesome, right? But it's not just the templates. We're giving you everything inside them too. That's right. Others show you cool templates, but you can't use the content inside the demo because they're there only for demonstration purposes. What? What's the point of that? Your videos will look great too if you get the content inside the demo too, right? So, not only do you get everything inside the templates, you also get 4,000 music tracks to engage your viewers so they listen and watch your videos to the very end. It's how you get buyers glued to your videos with music in the background, just like we use music in the background of this video too. There's no commercial fees as we've covered the cost for you. But that's not all. You get not 500, not 1,000, but 3,000 brand new video footage. By all means, you can buy these right now on stock video sites for just $79 each. These high-definition videos won't cost you $237,000. Better yet, simply add a footage to any one of these 1,300 plus brand new templates and immediately you get 3.9 million video combinations, which means you give your visitors an endless stream of amazing videos to experience so they continue to click and buy from you. But we're not done yet. You get 3,000 cool-looking vector graphics that you can blur, shadow, emboss, and special effect them to make your videos epic and that much more eye-catching. That's great, right? You also get 5,000 stock images you can quickly add and use in any of these templates. Simply drag and drop and you have yet another new video to show your audience. But that's not all. On top of that, you get 1,000 marketing graphics with complete source files. This is what they look like, and online, it's all about taking action from your buyers, right? So use these in your videos to get them to do exactly that. Yes, that's right, to buy from you. So, how many unique and fresh Ultimate videos can you come up with that are interesting, entertaining, and impressive now? You're looking at hundreds and thousands. Your competitors will envy you as you further monetize excessively bigger profits as your visitors continue to pay attention. But we're not done yet. It gets better. If you want to narrate and add a voiceover, you can do that too without chasing freelancers. It's powerful and we'll show you how to do this right inside PowerPoint, Google Slides, and Keynote. Yes, that's right. Inside PowerPoint, Google Slides, and Keynote. I bet you didn't see that coming. You also get 500 explainer icons that you can drag and drop into your videos to look amazing and at the cutting edge of having the best videos. And if you want banners, you get banner ads with all the professional effects and that too, also created inside PowerPoint. Seriously, these are made inside PowerPoint for you. And to get all this, all you need to do is click the button below to instantly access and you're good to start getting more videos. This will give you a massive edge in your marketplace to keep your audience engaged with one-of-a-kind videos today. But this is your only chance to upgrade to Unlimited Edition. It's extremely limited and we are crazy for offering this. This is the only place you will see this special discounted deal and you won't be offered this anywhere else. So click the button below to get Ultimate Videoz Unlimited Edition now. Plus, for taking action today, we're also going to throw in yet another 3,000 brand new animated graphics too. Another 3,000 on top of everything we're already giving you, which means you end up with a staggering 20,000 assets for your videos. So yes, you simply cannot go wrong with this upgrade for fresh, highly professional, done-for-you templates that you can own and use inside PowerPoint, Google Slides, and Keynote. And all you need to do is click the button below to get started. Remember, Everything online will be video, so click the button below and get your videos out there so you can make more sales. Get in now before it ends. Go unlimited. Click the button below and get instant access.